Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Take kumki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksaw point rewlak. Just wow.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Uba Alexander Elheg, Ubalong Noyalam, Jonka BJP, baru Badeiru MLA Kapenthor Kra constituency. Ulakentu ya ka Sorkar Pdeng, banya Syllok Shwa baki Noyalam, Jogi Kynhun Balang repair. Shwa ban Wanrah ya ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill Araza apun Rio, Haluk Sabha. Haka jinga krem bigla patay kubor uba Elheg ulay thu, baula deban pa ya ka jingtho shaw mintirang badu ka Narendra Modi, shaw menteri katnat kampo ying Amit Shah, bat shaw MP ka Rajya Sabha, u James P.K. Sangma. Shusho ulay thuru bakatnat kampo ying kalapa ya ka jingtho jong u, Shaka Ministry of Law and Justice, hakaba lapentip, bakan sa shimkia ya ka jingkirpan.
Received the acknowledgements, but in the acknowledgement sent from the Law Ministry, actually we have not written, I was not written to the Law Department, but I have written to Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Home Minister and the Rajya Sabha MP GM Sangma. So the response I got it, and the response from the Honorable Home Minister of India has sent it to Law Ministry and Law and Justice Ministry on this issue relating to Fcra. Then the Law and Justice Ministry, they have replied to me. They will be taken into considerations and also actions. So that is the reply only we received from the Government of India. It's very clear from the day one. I had told my request, appeal to the Government of India to call all the stakeholders, take their opinion, suggestion before bringing the bills to Parliament. So that is only my appeal. They should understand about what exactly they are looking for Fcra. So now bringing the bills, so if suppose they are doing any amendment which is cost against the many NGOs, many self-help group which is doing a very human service, humanity service, so it will not be affect to them. So that's why before you bring it to the Parliament, and this is only my appeal and my request, to have the meeting, suggestions and discuss with the stakeholders. But separately I have met with the Christian Forum of Northeast, I have met the Presbyterian Synod of Meghalaya. Then I have met also the CCBI, the Catholic Conference of Bishops of India. So I have met in Delhi. So we had discussed this separately. But as the delegation, since the Honorable CM from Meghalaya taken them to meet Amit Shah ji, so I think that is a good enough. But my request, because I have been issued letter to the central leaders, to Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Home Minister, and also to our Rajya Sabha MP from Meghalaya, from the MTA partner. So I requested him also to take up this issue whenever they table the bills in the Parliament.
Byrnihat ne Byrnihat. What karukom thoru kalaya pair. Ka Byrnihat batho du wai ka don ha Meghalaya, Henry ka Byrnihat batho du Yupat ka don ha Assam. Ka wei ka Nongba, Henry lapia Arliang du Port Assam, Chunki Jilla. House name Hajar Prasau, ka kai pot ka Perthe ka Lapinmi ka Kerteng ka Byrnihat ha kamat Henry ka Kubo ka Jingsha Bonsin, Laklet, but Omshimlala ban Pinpao.
Nama ini deh lasa laslam deh. Ladon hi jaga sanpo kumbangi kinong shong itip hi baka berni ka hap lang bat ka border Assam. Hindi ban ong ba kal air ka one week tang na Assam ni tang na Meghalaya. Kalong hap ring demo baka hap lang ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam border.
Ki karkhana badon hagani ka nong baru Kilong kibala benta ha Pdeng Arjela ka jingyar ka long kumbahan Rio square kilometer na Pdeng gani 8.9 square kilometer ta hap hapo Ripoi district ha Meghalaya kat balai point khatlai square kilometer ka basa ka hap hapo ka Kamrup metropolitan district ha Assam banpin bet ye kamat jong ka jinglong jingman jong ka leer ka Meghalaya state pollution control board kadang pet ngon man lakapor ka CEA QMS continuous ambient air quality monitoring station bat ka manual monitoring station ki pet patho ya ka jinglong jingman jokal air klem sange
kadero kabajan bahabat ka bordar Assam tanglai 100 kilometer ngi don bat ka bordar Assam kajing per jong kal air kala don sibun kala duna sibun kala kham khoj kala kham pangat nang takini kiding kisi tru dangi pet menta bat ki par ki ba Shwa em kala ya per sibun kila terngam ba ka pollution ta kadan ba sisin ba kila don ki factory mo ya tangin la balen re ban ang hadu ba kandak ta hadu kata-kata ko makimi kini dia long ngi tengim lar ban ya menjur
hakador ba jong ka ying dor ba thau an mentri rangba ka chila ong bokla tho mentri rangba ka Assam ban thau ye ka joint committee
यहाँ का जो रियल फैक्ट है जो मतलब मेन पोल्यूशन था जो फैक्ट्री था पहला मतलब रहने का मुश्किल हो गया था यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ने भी बीच में बहुत सारा फैक्ट्री शट डाउन कर दिया लेकिन पहला से बहुत अभी थोड़ा रिलीफ है शांति है रहने के लिए
kal air ka bayat kam sange haupo usam henry ban ong ba Byrnihat Meghalaya ka de ka nong ba ka ba jabo tam ka penyalam bakla ye kibreo